as we get ready for heat number 2.
Yeah, there is the lineup for that one. Carissa Henry.
I welcome.
I'm so sorry, I jumped the gun. A lot of that has been going on today, so I decided to join the party. Schroeter of Campion College, Diamond Schroeter. I wonder if she's related to our producer. KAMOYA Graham of Sydney Pagan, Masania Martin of Excelsior, Kiana Douglas of Alphonsus Davis, Joanna Frater of Veer, Asanique Beckford of Charlemont, and Talia Hunnigan of Manchester High. Anika Lowe, after the disappointment of the 1500 metres, not leaving anything to chance in 800 qualifying. Her better event at that, but really delivering in that first round race. And now we get to the second heat.
Yeah, smart running from her. Anika Lowe, again, needs to deliver big points for Edwin Allen. After disappointment in 15,
on your mark,
for gold at 8.
Class 3 girls, 800 metres, and they have been sent on their way. Cracking races expected over 800 metres all across the classes, like so many of the events here at Champs. The second of 6 heats here. Kiana Douglas of Alphonsus Davis taking the early lead. Manchester High's Hunnigan just tucked in there, running in lane number 2 on the inside of lane number 2, just nicely tucking into lane number 1 with Veer Technical's Joanna Frater right in there as well, pretty comfortable, and ranging up nicely too from Campion College. From Charlemont, apologies, Asani Beckford of Charlemont, and she's just dropped back for a second now. But from Alphonsus Davis, Kiana Douglas, and now from Sydney Pagan, KAMOYA Graham, they have a fine 800, 1500 cadre of female athletes, and they've been doing really well so far at Champs.
Yeah, just under at 400 meters, the pace, pedestrian, but 3 now have separated themselves from the rest of the field, with Martin of Excelsior in 4th, trying to get back to the leading 3, but only 2 guaranteed a spot in the next round, with Frater, Douglas, and doing the business at the front.
Much doing the business. KAMOYA Graham of Sydney Pagan still with the lead. Frater of Veer Technical in 2nd. Then in 3rd from Alphonsus Davis, Douglas. Those 3 well clear of the rest of the field. Graham, though, looking very comfortable at the front. Frater not quite done yet. 2 short to go through. 3 of them still in with a shot as they get ready to turn for home. Graham of Sydney Pagan favoured from this position, but Frater of Veer Technical not giving up. Neither is Douglas of Alphonsus Davis, and it will be a mad rush, especially for that second spot. Oh, great running. Frater just tucked it on the inside and shut her off, and now she put in a sprint to get second. 2:23 flat for the win. KAMOYA Graham of Sydney Pagan taking with her to the semi-finals of the Class 3 girls 800 metres, Joanna Frater of Veer Technical.
Yeah, the Freitas have great history for this in this event for Veer Technical. I think back to Ashara Frater a few seasons ago, but a confident run from Graham of Sydney Pagan. And again, the reason why I like the 800 metres tactics, very important as you look at the opening 400 metres of this race. Tightly bunched at the front, Douglas leading, but from this point on, Graham of Sydney Pagan took control of the race and managed it almost to perfection, got the win with under 300 meters to go. Frater keeping closer orders. She locking out Douglas from Alphonsus Davis, but Sydney Pagan's Graham begins to swing home. Frater trying to shut Douglas out of the party. She gets there. Frater behind Graham. Those are the 2 coaches who get to the semi-final automatically.
Yeah, Graham running a very tactically astute race. Did set the pace for the first 400 meters.
Yeah, 2:08 she gets in. Joanna Frater 2:23.51. Those are the automatic qualifiers. Kiana Douglas of Alphonsus Davis at 2:23.56. I think she should get in with a